In a world filled with wonder, there exists a silent guardian of life, beauty, and balance. This guardian is none other than nature itself.
From the towering forest to the depth of the ocean, nature tirelessly nurtures and sustains every living being on our planet.
It provides home for countless species, each playing a unique role in the delicate web of life. Through the cycle of seasons, nature paints the landscape with its ever-changing palette, reminding us of its resilience and beauty.
Yet, as human civilization advances, our footprint grows larger, often at the expense of this natural balance.
Deforestation, pollution, and climate change threaten the very fabric of our natural world, endangering ecosystem and species at an alarming rate. We have a responsibility to protect and restore nature not just for its intrinsic value but for all our survival. Fortunately, around the globe, individuals and organizations are taking action to safeguard our natural heritage.
By promoting conservation and sustainable practices, we can ensure that future generations inherit a world where nature continues to thrive.
Nature is not just a provider, it is a guardian of green.
A source of inspiration.
And a testament to the beauty of life on earth.